Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
This guide shows how to adjust the time on a Rolex with a screw-down crown. Always work on a clean, dry surface with good lighting and steady hands. Unscrew the crown counterclockwise until it pops out to the winding position. Wind the crown about 30 full turns to charge the mainspring if the watch stopped. Do not set the date between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. to protect the calendar mechanism. Next slide explains pull positions and correct sequences to avoid damage. After winding, gently pull the crown to the first detent for date quickset. Turn the crown clockwise or counterclockwise until the correct date appears in the window. Pull the crown to the second detent to stop the movement and set the time. Move the hands past midnight to ensure the date changes correctly before setting the final time. Set the desired time using 1-minute increments, turning the crown slowly and with care. Push the crown in and screw it clockwise tightly to restore water resistance and security. After setting, verify time accuracy against a reliable reference for at least 24 hours. A mechanical Rolex typically gains or loses a few seconds per day. Monitor performance. Service intervals are generally every 10 years or sooner if exposed to shocks or moisture. Avoid setting the date between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. to reduce wear on the calendar gearing. If you notice irregularities, contact an authorized service center for inspection and repair. Store the watch face up or on a winder to maintain lubricant distribution and accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.